everyone, and welcome to the very first podcast episode. I am Raina Verma, your host, and today we are here to pay tribute to the great Mahatma Gandhi on his birthday, Gandhi Jayanti. To honor his memory, I have one powerful work of literature to share with you. First, I will be reciting a beautiful poem titled The Recipe by T.P. Kailasam, which is found in the book Light of India by M.S. Deshpande. This poem captures the essence of what it takes to make a great individual dedicated to our very own Gandhiji. So let's begin with The Recipe by T.P. Kailasam. Into a bare handful of bones and skin, pour just an ounce or so of flesh and blood. Put in a heart love full as sea in flood. Likewise, a mind sea deep and free from sin. Fix on two jumbo ears and two goo eyes. Paint in a smile of babe at mother's breast. Enclose a soul that caps Himamat's crest, and speaks with tongue which honey's sweet defies. The stuffing, goat's milk, soya beans, and dates, now covered to brim with sufferings, human ears, and bake his dish in Geol for 1 score years. Take out and garnish it with peria mates, wrap up in a rag, prop up with leaf bamboo, and serve the world's Redeemer, our Bapu. This poem, the recipe, beautifully encapsulates the spirit of Mahatma Gandhi. The recipe paints a vivid picture of the man himself, highlighting his deep compassion, unwavering commitment to justice, and the immense sacrifices he made during his years of struggle for India's independence. As we conclude this special podcast episode on Gandhi Jayanti, I hope this poem have left you with a profound sense of appreciation for the Mahatma's enduring legacy. Let us remember and carry forward his teachings of truth, non-violence, and social justice. If you found this podcast meaningful, please like and share and subscribe. Together, let's continue to explore the power of literature to inspire and enlighten. This is Raina Verma signing off and wishing you all a reflective and peaceful Gandhi Jayanti.